Okay, staying home doesn't mean you need to end up looking like this. In fact, you can feel super comfortable and look like that. Or like this, if you decide to take some fresh air and go for a walk. Forget about worn-out sweatpants, stretched-out t-shirts with Disney characters and floral print pajamas. You gotta spend the most beautiful time of the year in comfort, yet with class and style. I bet you've worked so hard the whole year, so you really deserved it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common mistakes of styling loungewear and casual essentials that make you look frumpy, sloppy, and not really put together, and most important, how to fix them in less than 1 minute. Yes, you don't need to buy anything new, you don't even need to swap your sweatpants for tailored trousers, because it is all about the magic of the key styling techniques, such as layering, pop of color, accessories, and some other styling secrets I'm about to share with you. I'm going to look into 6 key essentials that you can wear at home and outside by easily transforming your look from homeware, loungewear to street style appropriate. So let's have a look at the first one. The first category I'd like to talk about today is the joggers. I love joggers. This is my go-to bottom, especially in colder weather. And yes, you can wear joggers not only inside, but also outside your house and look appropriate and stylish in it if you only know how to enhance your joggers outfit. Okay, this is not the way you want to rock your jogging pants, even if you're just staying at home. The color combination is too dull, with too loose fits and chunky shoes. It lacks accessories and overall cohesive look. So how do we fix it? Firstly, I swapped out the muted grey sweatshirt for a black one and added a white t-shirt underneath. Going monochrome, especially in black, elevates this super cozy and stylish tracksuit from Halara, and the white ribbing on the t-shirt highlights my face, softening the black hue. Wearing a white t-shirt under a sweater or a sweatshirt not only keeps you warm in colder seasons, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your casual ensemble. To add structure to this relaxed look, I replaced the chunky Uggs for high-top sneakers, which I borrowed from my teenage son, and I throw in some jewelry for a finishing touch. And if I need to step outside without changing my outfit, I can simply layer on a puffer vest, grab a padded shoulder bag, throw on sunglasses, and I'm ready in less than a minute. To inject a pop of color, I can wrap a flashy fuchsia scarf. Not only does it keep me cozy and warm, but also adds a bold statement accent to my entire outfit. And talking about styling the most casual, basic staples of your wardrobe in order to achieve this really put together, polished, chic look. Of course, the big part of it is nailing this perfect fit and silhouette for your unique height and proportions. And guess what? I've got a little surprise for those who are new to my channel. I have developed a personalized style portfolio for your height and figure that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions about your height and figure, and the guide will land immediately directly to your mailbox. It's a detailed, illustrated style portfolio with the key winning silhouettes per category, tops, bottoms, outwear, the most effective practical styling techniques to achieve the most flattering effect for your figure. And I have also thrown some working outfit formulas for different occasions. So don't forget to go to the link after watching this video, get the guide and start using it in order to create your impeccable style. The next loungewear/casual essential is a dress. Yes, you heard me right. I know that quite a few women don't like to wear trousers, even at home. That's just a no-go for them because they gravitate towards more feminine, body-accentuating styles and designs. And for these ladies, I've got a perfect alternative, and it's a body-hugging, knit or jersey tube dress. Okay, one combination that doesn't quite work is pairing Uggs with a dress or a skirt. They can be a bit of a buzzkill for a feminine or more tailored fit. To kick things off, I swapped them out for my favorite home shoes, stretchy red Mary Janes that instantly elevate the look. This dress from Halara fits like a glove, yet feels as comfortable as pajamas. What I adore about almost all Halara tops is that they come with an incorporated bra, a precious detail especially for loungewear. I layered the dress with a chunky white sweater for added coziness, introducing a 3-color palette and layering to my outfit, accessorized my look with golden chain and earrings, and I'm all set to welcome my guests for a cozy dinner. I really adore this dress, and you know what? I decided to elevate my cozy lounge look to something more office appropriate. I added a cashmere V-neck vest to provide structure and contrast to the dress, making it a bit more formal, opted for heeled patent leather boots, grabbed a spacious tote and topped it all off with a brown wool trench coat. And just to add some extra coziness and lighten things up a bit, I draped an off-white chunky knit sweater over my shoulders. Finished off with sunglasses, and now I'm ready for a business meeting, feeling comfy and classy at the same time. And now let me introduce you the sponsor of today's video, a athleisure brand called Halara. For those who are not new to my channel, you probably remember them from my previous videos, because honestly, I just live in Halara leggings, tops, sweatshirts and jeans, because they're not only super comfortable and so pleasant to wear, but they're also very flattering for my figure. They make me feel really very feminine and hot, no matter if I go to the gym, do my grocery shopping, or even stay home. And this is exactly the mission of the brand, to reinvent athleisure to make it suitable not only for sports, but also embrace a big variety of different figure shapes in the most flattering fits and designs. High quality, strong performance fabric make you feel comfortable and active, whereas the most attractive and flattering fits and designs boost your confidence. So, as usual, I'm linking all the models I'm wearing in this video, as well as the size references and a special promo code for any of your purchases in the info box. So don't forget to check it out after watching this video. For another pair of essentials, I went for white turtleneck, black stretchy trousers combo, which is probably the most popular, versatile and timeless combination you can possibly imagine. Everyone has it in their wardrobe. However, because it's so basic, it is not always easy to style it in order to make your look elevated, polished and chic. Take a look at this outfit. How uninspiring is that? I mean, it's okay for home, cozy, comfortable, it feels super nice, but we could use some styling, even on a remote working day. The easiest way to elevate this look is to add a pop of color. Red is a must-have for holiday season, so I went for red ballet flats and a sweater. I also tucked the top in to elongate my legs, show off the high-waisted fit of the trousers, et voila! My Audrey Hepburn-inspired look is complete. I can also use some layering, and denim is a perfect option for it because it immediately adds not only color but texture and structure to this outfit, which might be quite interesting, especially if you indulged a bit during the festive season. And if I feel like taking some fresh air and going for a walk in the forest with my kids, I simply swap the denim shirt for a super warm and cozy grey sweatshirt from Halara. I wear chunky Chelsea boots, layer it with a padded vest, throw on a baseball cap, navy sunglasses, my favorite Bottega Veneta bag, and add a pop of red over my shoulders. And I'm ready in less than a minute because, trust me, with 4 men in the house, that's the maximum time you get to get ready. And if I want to head it to the city, I just swap the vest for an elegant wool coat, elevate the look with a structured tote bag, and again I'm ready. As you can see, your loungewear staples can be easily incorporated into your city wardrobe if you know how to pair them together. And a gentle reminder for those who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. There is a new video every week, which means new styling tips, outfit ideas, inspiration and motivation, not only to enhance your style, but also to boost your confidence. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to stay in touch and get your style dose on a daily basis. The next one is the sweatshirt. This is my favorite go-to piece when it comes to colder weather. And I think I'm just a collector of sweatshirts and hoodies because this is what I wear on a daily basis. It is super easy to style and wear at home or to go to the gym. However, it is less obvious how to take it to the next level and elevate your sweatshirt outfit. So let's have a look how to do it. To elevate this gorgeous Halara sweatshirt, which feels super warm and heavenly, I opted for my favorite styling hack, contrasting dressing. I paired it with satin relaxed trousers featuring a ribbed vest, and to level it up, I layered a pearl necklace on top of a metallic chain and finished my look with stretchy nude ballet flats. I really love this unexpected combo, a mix of sporty vibes with more delicate and elegant aesthetics. It's cozy and chic at the same time. And if I want to give it a bit of an edge, I swapped the ballet flats for new balance trainers, and my look instantly becomes more modern and relaxed. The best thing about it is that I don't even need to change out my loungewear to go outside. I just wear a beige wool coat on top, drape the chunk sweater as a scarf, and accessorize it with a tonal bag and sunglasses. And I'm ready again in less than a minute. The next casual must-have is something you can't possibly imagine not only your holiday season, but your life without. Of course, I'm talking about the jeans. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm not really a fan of jeans, especially for colder season, because they're a bit too stiff, not really cozy, a bit too cold. That's what I thought before I found a new jeans model from Halara. They are amazing because they look like jeans, but they feel like leggings, which make them super comfortable and super pleasant to wear even in colder season. And these are the jeans I'm talking about. They're high-waisted, slightly flared to the bottom, which make them super slimming and elongating, and the color is so versatile and fresh. My favorite combo for home is a white t-shirt layered with a crew neck or polo cashmere sweater to have a pop of color and more smart look for my Zoom meetings at home. And if I want to create a more formal yet edgy look, I like to pair these jeans, which I also have in black by the way, with cowboy boots and a blazer in leather or in tweed, which make me feel super comfortable yet like a badass at the same time. Did I just say badass? And last but not the least category is your favorite, the most controversial and discussable item on my channel. It's the leggings. I know that some people don't see leggings outside the gym. However, I do. I honestly think it's the most versatile and stylish item you can imagine because there's so many ways to create outfits with them. And if you love leggings as much as I do, I've got a special video dedicated to styling leggings. Please have a look. I'm gonna link it in the info box. So let's have a look at styling leggings for inside and outside your house. I've got my favorite black legging from Halara here. They're high-waisted, plus have this wide rib to support the tummy. The scrunch at the back gives a butt-lifting effect, but the most important when it comes to legging is the fabric. It's very dense and has a really good compression. Of course, I have a big temptation to go for this kind of look and lay down in my couch to watch Netflix, but I'm not gonna do that. I want to feel comfortable yet look feminine and a bit elevated. My favorite combo is legging plus cashmere loose-fitted cardigan. I like that you can see a bit of a bra, gives a subtle sexy detail, and I again went for red Mary Janes to break black and white combo and make it more playful and chic. And to elevate my look and make it more city appropriate, I like to pair leggings with knee-high riding boots and chunky sweaters. I really love leggings for colder season because they have this warm cozy feel, but you can create a stylish elevated look with knitwear and outwear. For instance, one of my favorite looks that I wear on repeat is legging paired with beige chunky cashmere sweater and leather jacket on top. It's warm, super comfortable, yet modern and polished, exactly what I need this winter. And again, I only need a couple of minutes to change from my homewear to streetwear. Voila, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments what's your favorite essential when it comes to casual and loungewear. I wish you absolutely amazing holiday, best moments with your family and beloved ones. Thank you for being with me, and I'll see you very soon. Merry Christmas, bye!